Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly amazing to talk about. The Panda Ear set of 3 cute silicone bibs for babies and toddlers. If you're a parent or soon-to-be parent, you're going to want to pay close attention because these bibs are a game-changer. Now, let's dive right into why the Panda Ear bibs are considered the best bib feeding solution on the market. First and foremost, let's talk about the impressive features of these bibs. These bibs come equipped with a deep and sturdy spill pocket that catches any stray food or liquids. Say goodbye to messy mealtime cleanup. These 3-pack reusable silicone bibs are not only top quality but also budget-friendly. With an array of trendy colors like brown, blue, and green, you're sure to find one that matches your little one's outfit of the day. Made of 100% soft silicone, these bibs are gentle on your baby's skin and will help cut down on your laundry load. The neck strap provides 4 different sizes and is suitable for children ages 6 months to 6 years, making these bibs versatile and long-lasting. That's right, the Panda Ear team is incredibly proud of their craftsmanship and offers a lifetime warranty on all their products. If you're not happy with these bibs, they'll replace them free of charge or refund your purchase. That's a level of confidence we can get behind. Now, let me show you how these bibs work in action. As you can see, the spill pocket is generously sized and does an excellent job of catching any food or liquid that might escape your little one's mouth. This means less mess on their clothes, less mess on the floor, and less stress for you. What really sets these Panda Ear bibs apart is their combination of functionality and style. Not only do they perform exceptionally well, but they also come in these trendy colors that can complement any outfit. Plus, they're incredibly easy to clean. Just a quick rinse or toss them in the dishwasher, and they're good to go for the next meal. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best bib feeding solution that offers durability, style, and convenience, the Panda Ear set of 3 cute silicone bibs for babies and toddlers is the clear winner. With a lifetime warranty backing them up, you can't go wrong with these bibs. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more informative product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with these bibs, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.